Hello and welcome to everyone. And sorry because I haven't been able to go today live, but I had food poisoning. I'm going to do brief picks and predictions. Like Muhammad Mokaev going to fight Alex Perez, and Muhammad Mokaev is a top-notch wrestler, excellent ground game, and he submitted Tim Elliott. He was better than Jofel Filho and Malcolm Gordon, and he's got excellent finishes, excellent submissions, but also he's a top-notch grappler, and his fight against Alex Perez definitely turns me on. That is an amazing fight. Alex Perez suffered back-to-back losses to Pantoja and Figueredo. Yes, he got submitted by elite-level fighters, that is true, but the problem is Mokaev has elite-level top control and elite-level submissions. I'm a fan of Perez, but I think Perez's downfall has started with his loss to Davison Figueredo. He was better than Formiga, Espinoza, Mar de la Rosa, but I just think Mokaev is the future champ, and I don't see Perez win this one. Mokaev to win.